So let's go a little bit more in details with our foot control. In the middle we have the big knob. With that one we drive the chair. Then at the sides we have the smaller knobs. You can program different functions in those, for example to control your intraoral scanner or camera. Down here we have the pedal. With the pedal we drive the instruments. It's good to know that it doesn't matter which way you move it. Just use it the way you prefer. If we press the pedal down when we don't have an instrument in hand, we can fill the cup or also rinse the bowl. If you press down the pedal when you have an instrument in hand, you can toggle between air or water, on or off in that instrument. Some people are not familiar driving the pedal sideways. They're more familiar driving the instruments by pressing down the pedal. Technician can change this piece and program the unit to work also that way. If the assistant is using the syringe, but you would like to use also some air, it's good to know that from the micromotors and turbine you can get some air just by keeping the pedal down. Foot controls are designed to be heavy so that they would stay still on the floor. If you have the foot control sliding unwantedly, you should check if there's any dirt on the small knobs and clean them. There is this hook for the foot control, so you can get it out from the floor after the working day, so it will be easier to clean the floors.